Beat up my face in a 5 minutes.
Oh my god! What is that?
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video from All Natural Candice. If you're new, subscribe for more fun, entertaining, exciting, and educating content. So today we're doing something really different. It's a challenge. I think it's going to be so fun and so because I'm about to do a makeup in 5 minutes, and I always do makeup in like 3-4 hours. As a beginner, it's going to take some time, but I'm gonna try this phone. You see me? I saw it a long time ago and then I said, what should I do today? And then just clicking on my mind, so that's what I'm going to do. So I basically take out some stuff that I think I'll be using. I'm gonna use the whole of them, so I open what can be opened from now. So you know, ease off look at time and thing. So that's basically it. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Watch my other videos if you're new, because like, girl, we only do nice things over here. So yes, I'll take out eyebrow pencil. I'm no say eyebrow take a whole damn year. But we're going to try and see how far we can go with this. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. So I open up some of the something they never open, or they never open properly. And sing me, I sharpen my eyebrow pencil and get ready. Guys, comment down below from now if you think I got a good or bad. Or maybe I see the thumbnail already. As I say, I wash it up. Come up this lock. You see me? I don't have no lock. Cause I can't do makeup in that. Why me I sharpen this? I don't make do my eyebrows, guys. But let's see how this goes. So I'm going to put the timer on my laptop. 5 minutes. I don't know how I'm going to get it on the screen, but if it works out, we will see it on the screen. You see me? So okay. Oh, alright. So okay. So I have the timer on my laptop already. So all I need to do is press start. May I take some breaks for this? Ah, Jesus. Ready? Alright, so it start. Yo, me just... No, why you take so long to come out? Guys, I have to move like fast. Why me never pull this? Guys, I gotta tie up. Come out. I don't want to waste me something, you know, because then I explain. Come like this done, you know. Guys, foundation done. Hey, I'm broke. Wait there. Let me see if I can color correct something cool. Why me a color? Wait, my something now focus. Bro, why me a lock back this something them? Couple seconds gone. Candice, what you do? You don't know what you do. Anyways, go put on this one. Yes. Guys, I know some always I mix my thing them, but guess what? I can't mix it today because I'm in a rush. That's something that did on my face. My new face this. I'm gonna know why I use that. Jesus. You're my first foundation. Guys. Oh, Jesus. Boomba! No! I don't want to see how much minutes left. Alright, conceal Candice. Watch out. Look a bit. Alright, guys, so we are definitely have to rush the thing. Guys, I honestly do up a lot of time. Yeah, I'm gonna get up on my under eye. My nose, which my nose, do that later. Ah, Jesus. Guys, me just watch the time because the 2 minutes are left. Boy, one more minute for the one more right here. I never take out now something that brush with powder. Alright guys, I'm gonna apply some powder And then my eyes. The talk with me, I talk with you now, make me go slower, you know. Brush off this quick powder. Definitely not in the eyebrow. My team look like a ghosty, man. Alright. Come here. Ah, Jesus, Savior. This is a wait. Can you do you go there? Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna use the foundation brush here with this and just put on my face, guys. I wonder if it's gonna make nice when it time stop. I don't want. But guys, I mean, I say, me I try a thing. Me I beat out my face in a 5 minutes. I need to do my lips. What else I need to do? Why me take out so much something? Jesus, Candice. Guys, look at this. Jesus. I don't see that. Setting straight. No, let me see. I have a look at time left. I can't. Alright, let me do just put some stroking on my eyebrow. Okay, full my eyebrows. You know, 59 seconds left. Where's something there? $50 left. At the last minute, me I gotta do this thing, guys. Guys, honestly, I don't know how to fix this. I'm gonna put something in my. Oh my! 20, 30 odd seconds. Candice. What me I do? Epic fail. 19 seconds left. What did I do to myself? 5 seconds left. I'm going. Alright, it's done. I'm gonna hear the time. I'm gonna stop it. And just take a better zoom at my face, guys. Honestly, I do the body now. I do the body. I look cute. Ooh, but like, guys, just look at my. Alright, look at my face. The foundation definitely blend in properly. I think I spend the most time, but when I get around at the edge right here, look here. Where's the foundation? When I take it up on my neck, my lip gloss, and I really put on good enough, but it can go on. My eyes, oh my god, mascara is every damn where. Look, because the mascara did wait. Watch out, up on my nose. You see it right there now? Look over yourself. I love this for me. I not even seen a highlight, but like a little bit of highlight. Yes, it's not that bad for 5 minutes. I can't rush and get ready. Wanna say, what y'all think about this look? I mean, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving you don't look cute because it is 5 minutes.